If you are given this problem in mathematics, you don't just substitute -1 directly into this. It will give you 0/0, and which is invalid in mathematics. It's not done that way. That is wrong approach. All right, I'm going to solve this for you in this video step by step. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and comment. Now, you are given this problem. Let's rewrite this by saying limits x tends to -1. Now, we can break this one down, the numerator and the denominator here. We can break the numerator here down to be x plus 1 to bracket x plus 1. If you remember how to solve quadratic equation very well, you will see that if you expand this, if you multiply this and this together. Now, if you remember how to solve quadratic equation very well, you notice that we can break this one down to this. And if you should multiply this and this together, you will still arrive at this, which tells us that this is correct. Okay, and for the one down here, we can break it down to be x plus 1 into bracket x plus 2. Now, you can break the one, if you should multiply this and this together, you arrived at this. All right, now you will see that x plus 1 is common here and it's also common here. So we can say this cancel this. Okay, then we are left with this. X plus 1 over x plus 2. Now, this is what we are left with. Okay, so now at this point, we can substitute -1 into this. If we substitute -1 into this, here will be -1 plus 2, that will be 1. Here will be -1 plus 1, that will be 0. Take note, this is acceptable in mathematics because it will give us what? 0. It will give us 0. But 0/0, it's invalid in mathematics. It is invalid. So the correct answer is this. This is the best approach to solve this. Of course, this is an interesting tutorial class. Why can't you share this with your friends and let them benefit?